Alright, by now you should know what we are doing already. So let's get to work. Let's do the derivative f prime of x. Okay, the derivative of ln is 1 over whatever the inside is, right? So let me just put down x squared plus x plus 1. And then for the top, we are going to look at the inside. Use the chain rule. The derivative of the inside is 2x plus 1. And that's it. This is the derivative for that. Now we are going to set this to be 0. And the only way for this to be 0 is the top equal to 0. So 2x plus 1 equal to 0. X equals negative 1 over 2. So this right here is a critical number. And in fact, this is the only critical number because if we look at the bottom and then put it equal to 0, you can use the quadratic formula and I'll tell you, you are not going to end up with any real solutions. You can give it a try. Just like remind you guys real quick. Negative b, which is 1, and then we have the plus or minus square root of b squared, which is 1 squared, and then minus 4 times 1 and 1, and then over 2 times 1. Yeah, a, b, c, they are all 1s. But anyway, you see this is negative 1 plus or minus square root 1 minus 4, which is negative 3. No real solutions, right? So no real solutions. You don't have to worry about this. All right, now let's just go ahead and check. So let's do negative 1 over 2 first. So f at negative 1 over 2. Plugging negative 1 over 2 into this, we have ln of negative 1 over 2 squared plus negative 1 over 2 and then plus 1. All right, so this is ln. This is 1 over 4 and then minus 1 over 2 and then plus 1. And then let's just get a common denominator. Do the good old business. And then this is ln of, this is a horrible ln, sorry. This is ln of, okay, 4 on the bottom. This is 1 minus 2, which is negative 1, but plus 4, which is 3. So we have ln of 3 over 4. Okay, and then let's plug in negative 1 and 1. So next, we have the endpoint f at negative 1. This right here is ln of negative 1 squared and then plus negative 1 and then plus 1. This is 1. Negative 1 squared is 1. Altogether is 1. ln 1 is 0. Lastly, plugging 1. So f of 1 equals ln of 1 squared plus 1 and then plus 1. Guess what? 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. ln 3. Alright, so if you take a look at all this, this is actually the smallest because it is negative. And the reason that you can see this is negative is because the input is less than 1. So that's why. But I will still tell you guys the approximation for this. This right here is approximately negative 0.287, so 0.29. And this right here is approximately positive 1.1. All right, and then 0, 0. So anyway, absolute max is this. So f of 1, and that gives us ln 3. And then absolute min is the following. F of negative 2. So f of negative 1/2. And that will be equal to this, which is ln of 3 over 4. And this will do it. Alright, that's it.